Welcome, investors. Right now, I want to answer the comment made by Zygmunt Piechura. And Zygmunt is asking me, how do I get my timing right on buying the gold stocks and uranium stocks? Zygmunt, I'll tell you how do I get my timing right. It was, I think, around 2 years ago when I started doing research about the stocks which I was thinking that are gonna go up. And I was doing research on commodities. And of course, gold came and silver right away. And back then, gold was down. And I look at the historical pattern, and the gold was always fluctuating, going up and down, up and down, up and down. And I figure out that since this is a store of value for past almost 4,000 years, and I look at the charts of Barrick Gold and Yamana Gold for past, I would say like 20 years, and the graph was up and down, and 2 years ago was relatively down. So I figure out I'm not really smart guy. I cannot really do the research of the numbers of the company. I don't know how to do the fundamental analysis or technical analysis of the stock, but I just saw it's down. Couple years earlier was up, so since it's down, it's a good time to buy. And I decided to buy. It was very simple approach, very simple. I don't know if it's illogical, because most of the people when the stocks are down, they're not buying. I don't know why. For me, it is a logic. If the stock is down and has the future for potential of going up, like good gold companies like Barrick Gold, Yamana Gold, or Kinross Gold, then it was no brainer for me to buy. That's why I bought it. And the same with uranium stocks. Uranium more risky, but I still saw that the stock was down. Energy fuel was under $2. And I was like, why not? So I almost spent $80,000 to buy 47,000 shares of energy fuels for under $2. And right now, I don't know, it's 5, 6, something like this. I'm still holding it. I'm not selling. Right now, I think it's worth like around altogether $250,000. So I'm up around, I would say, like 200,000 or something more. I'm not selling because I want to strike big, okay? Or I want to lose big on this. My goal is that this stock, it's gonna hit $100. You're gonna laugh right now, but you know what? That's my objection. That's my ultimate goal. I didn't come here to uranium space or gold space to make 10, 20, 30, 40, or even 100, 200, or $300,000. I didn't even come here to make like $1 million. I came here to make at least $5 or even $10 million. I know some of you are laughing right now, but that's the goal for me, because then I can reorganize my life work. I can shift my attention towards different things, and this will do some significant change in my life. Right now, I don't need this money, and I can lose this money. This is the best approach. I can sleep well. Okay, I saw recently uranium is going up. Cool. Earlier was going down. Cool as well. Doesn't bother me. Like I said, I don't need this money. I'm working hard. I have my own business. I make good money. I can afford to lose this. So, like I said, my approach is I'm waiting to strike really hard on this stocks on gold and on uranium. And coming back, Zygmunt, to this on the beginning, was also a little bit of luck when I started searching about those companies, about those commodities. I'm still searching right now, but I know it's not easy. I'm not pushing. Right now. I have on my radar the companies from the defense industry. I know that they're not gonna bring that much return like gold and uranium, but my approach is that if my gold and uranium is gonna go to the moon, then I will sell it and take this money to defense industry. Why? Because unfortunately we will always need tanks, we will always need guns, we will always need ships, we will always need submarines, we will always need planes. That's the nature of human beings. There always will be something going on between the nations, between the neighbors, between everybody, between all of us. So that's why right now I do the research a little bit on some of the defense contractors. I already own some defense contractors like Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics, and another one, I forgot the name, but I think I own 3 of them. I have 3 another ones on my radar, and I'll be making videos about those another 3 for you in the near future. But coming back to my to original question, so that was a combination of a little bit of luck and curiosity. I know that right now there are stocks somewhere similar to gold, to uranium. They just have to be found and picked up and invested, and they will bring money. They will bring money. On the other side, I always kind of liked commodities because there is cyclicality in commodities market. Generally, all stocks have cyclicality, and you just have to catch them on the lower side. But commodities have this cyclicality more aggressive than everything else. That's why there is more potential for loss and then bigger potential for gain. So that's why I went into uranium and the gold stocks. Okay, that's my answer, Zygmunt, to your question. I know that this is not some kind of technical answer. There is no per earning ratio, EBITDA, whatever the numbers which can give you some pattern how you can do this in the future. But you know what? No one can give you this pattern. Even Warren Buffett, okay? All what he says is wherever everybody runs away, you gotta run into the market. Wherever there is blood on the streets, you gotta come in. That is my motto. And right now, I think eventually in the future we'll have similar situation like we have a year ago with the pandemic, when the market went 30% down. We'll have something like this in the future. What I do personally, I try to accumulate some money, put this on the side, and then when this moment happens, I call this very often Armageddon from the movie Armageddon, when there is a meteor going towards the earth. If we have similar situation, then the market is gonna go down, and then there is a time to buy. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.